Hello everyone. So I hope you all are fine. So this is our first class of class 7 science class. So today we are going to study about the chapter nutrition of plants. So we should open the books. Everyone should open the book and follow the class. So we are going to study about the first chapter is nutrition in plants. So in this chapter we are going to study it consists of two things. It consists of of modes of nutrition in plants, replacing nutrients in the soil. Soil. So in this chapter it is consists of these two things, but today we are going to study only this one, modes of nutrition in plants. So we must rub this one. Okay, so we have to continue only this much. In next class we will study about this. So this is the very important. All living things require energy to stay alive and to carry out various life processes. Food provides energy. Plants also need food to grow like other living organisms. The process by which an organism takes in food, uses it for its growth and utilizes it to perform other vital activities is called nutrition. So we understand, you have been in the previous class, you have studied about the nutrition. What is nutrition? You know that one. So the nutrition is a very important part of our life, part of for our body. Otherwise, we will not get the nutrients, the energy we are taking. We may not get the energy from the food. So these are the nutritions. Components of food such as carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals are called nutrients. So what are the nutrients? Nutrients are carbohydrates, components of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals are called nutrients. Green plants can prepare their own food. Animals and human beings cannot do so. They obtain food from plants and animals. Green plants make their own food with the help of photosynthesis, which you have read in the previous classes. But human beings and animals cannot make their own food. They take the food from the plants. In this chapter, we learn how nutrition takes place in plants. Modes of nutrition in plants. Green plants are the living organisms which can prepare their own food with the help of sunlight. But there are some plants which get their food by other means. Thus, there are two modes of nutrition in plants as shown in the flowchart. Then, plants' nutritions are two types. What are they? This is called plant nutritions. Nutritions. These are two types. Two types. Number one is autotrophic. Number two is heterotrophic. These are the two types. These are the two types of plant nutrition. Is autotrophic and heterotrophic. Now we'll go through the chapter and we'll study about what is autotrophic and what is heterotrophic. Then what is autotrophic nutrition? This is a mode of nutrition in which living organisms prepare their own food. Autotrophs are which prepare their own food, which make their own food. Means living organisms which prepare their own food. Such organisms are called autotrophs. Auto means self. So antrop means feeding. So auto means self and trophic means feeding. So we can understand that organisms which make their own food is known as autotrophs. Green plants prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. So what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the help. What is photosynthesis? Which with the help of photosynthesis, plant make their own food. A pigment called chlorophyll is responsible for the green color of leaves. Chlorophyll traps sunlight, means which traps sunlight from outside, and with the help of sunlight, plants make their own food. To carry out photosynthesis, plants need carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight. This process usually takes place in the leaves or in the other green plant parts like stem, as in cactus. Carbon dioxide enters the leaves through small openings called stomata. How carbon dioxide enters the leaves? Carbon dioxide enters the leaves through small pores in the plants. You will see. You cannot see the open eyes. You have to take the help of the microscope. So carbon dioxide enters the leaves through small pores or openings called stomata. So after this, today only we will study about this, and we have to in the next class we will continue the next chapter, next parts. So, but today I'll give you homework. You just complete the homework. Today's homework is, you just complete all your homeworks. I'll give some questions. You just prepare in your home. What is nutrition? Define nutrients. Define nutrients. One more thing I'll make you understand. It is the process how prepare their own food. This is called the process of photosynthesis. Process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. So this is the process. How? Here you will see this is the part of water. This is the part water, like this. This one. These are the roots. These are the roots. So this is the light energy, means sun, light energy. Light energy. When plants, this is the blowing of air, means giving out oxygen. Small pores taking CO2, sorry, this is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. So these are the things you have to study. See, this is the light energy, means sun, from where plants get their power. This is the water from the soil. This is the under part of the soil. So these are the plants taking water from here. This is with the help of roots. These are the waters. These are the roots. This is the plants. Plants giving oxygen, and plants taking carbon dioxide with the help of small pores called stomata. So this is the process of photosynthesis. So after this, you have to complete these two homework as part of your classwork or homework. You have to complete it. Then you have to, in next class, I'll continue the chapters. Thank you very much. So just everyone complete their homework.